Go, go, go. Go. Go, go, go. Quickly, because I'm about to give a lecture. Hands up if you're in. Cool. Eyes on me now. Do not look at the P&L. I need the P&L off the screen. Nobody should be looking at their P&L. It should be covered or somewhere else. You never, ever, write this down. You never look at that, ever, until you're out the trade. Ever look at it. Now, eyes on the board. You have 2 stop losses. Someone tell me what they are. Let's go. I want to see hands. No calling out. 2 stop losses. Churro.
Probably on the 2 minutes.
Okay.
Like below the. Yes. No. The other one. Right. No.
Say it. Don't tell me. What are you?
The other candle.
I need you to say it. Quantify it.
Say the number or is
No. I don't know. Below this level?
Yeah, below the level.
Candle close below that level? That's 1 stop loss exit. What's the next one? Tony? Oh, I want to hear this guy.
200 EMA.
Where?
Right here.
Close below. Write that down. Very good. Your second stop loss, if you choose. I'll repeat myself multiple times because this is important. Don't post this.
Somewhere right over here, right?
Yes, the short, yes. Exactly. A buy zone for the short, correct.
Starts come over here, we start hitting some chop.
Yep.
You know it's still going down.
Oh, we wouldn't have exited.
Why?
Super weakness on the 5 minute, beyond weakness.
This is what
I know, and that's what I'm completing. I know, it's today.
So you took this, you're analyzing that, and
Yeah.
you know it's still going
Yes.
down. So we're not going to get intimidated by what's happening.
No.
We know it's
Because
going
here we have beyond weakness.
But the 15 minute gives you a different story.
Different, yeah, but we're going to scalp it over there and we're going to be out of the trade. No. And you are really far away from the trend line, but you're above the VWAP. What does that tell you? I'll say that again. You're in the trade over here. It's above the VWAP. And these candles have gotten really far away from the trend line. What is that called when you're really far away from the trend line? Yeah, but what is it called, Diana? Anyone at home? What is it called when the candles get too far away from your trend line? You're overextended, my man.
Yeah.
Overextended. When it gets overextended, but you want to still be greedy, you refuse to get out of the trade. You refuse to get out of the trade for whatever reason when you should have got out right here. The second it gets below the VWAP, what should you do? Get out. Your VWAP is another form of support, but also if it gets below it, it's another form of what? Stop loss. You can use the VWAP as your stop loss. If you refuse to do anything else, get the hell out below this. Get the hell out. It's not worth it. It's not worth. Stop loss is what protects you from losing your money. Once it gets below it, it could just keep falling, as you can see what it did. The risk is too great. Stephen, is that a hand? Now, this is the next thing I'm going to add on to it. In the link in my bio, this is my trading journal. It's free. Listen to me. I know you're going to hate what I'm about to say, but you must use it. You must use it. You must type in how much you make every trade at the end and how you were feeling. You must. If you're not going to do it, it's going to affect your trading. I promise you it's going to affect your trading. You must put it in every single time. If you're not going to, there'll be days where you'll be like, yes, I'm doing so well. I don't need to do it anymore. And then you're going to get slapped in the face and give all your money back. This is a slow progression. You're playing the long game. Before you go there, Lester, the SQQQ is a what? What was that I told you? It's different from all the other stocks. What does it do?
What does it do?
Remember I told you? Remember when I said there's some stocks when the market goes down, where do they go? So how do you think the SQQQ looks? How do you think it's looking? Oh, let's see. Look at that. Blood red. Blood red. Because the market is rallying right now. This is getting devastated right now. Do you see that? There's always a yin and the yang and the inverse of everything in life that I told you, Lester. Remember that. And look at that. Bloodshed across the board. This is not looking good right now for this. It's doing a pullback, which is fine. Which is fine. We can go trade other things. See what I'm saying? Junior, go back to PLTR. We have to wait for the pullback to see get an entry and see what's going to happen.
So the experience that I got from coming here the second time, I was here in the September mentorship 2023. This is the second one. It was just reconfirming one more time what I learned at the first mentorship, and now it just simply made it harder into my head, got it harder, like inserted, just because we're humans, we keep forgetting things, and when we're alone, we don't really listen to our gut. So the second time coming to the mentorship just simply helped me to find out new things, confirm what I knew a little bit, and then really confirm what I knew, but I had a hard time listening to my gut, to myself, because I was going against me, which is really bad. I found that the hard way. The professor has a very, very simple, to the point teaching style, which I'm extremely blessed to have found him. It's especially after hearing and meeting and listening to other so-called gurus on the internet, especially, I'm just simply blown away of how simple his strategy is, and how it just makes your life coming from miserable to like successful and finally reaching that consistency. Well, give that advice to myself. I love myself the most. So I'll tell me, then I even think about it. Then I even think about having second thoughts, or just, oh, is it going to be good? Of course it's good, because what's the purpose of spending so much money on a mentorship? What's the purpose of just coming here? Because it's not virtual. It's live in New York. You have to travel. You have to get a place to stay. You have to just be out of your little box where you live in. So the definite answer would be definitely go, because what you gain from coming here is so much knowledge, and finally the direction to get your life back, to gain that time that you always wanted to have with your family, with your kids, with just for you, for yourself. I want to say, first of all, the fact that the price is this high filters out to meet only great people, only high level of thinking mentality. The mentality is like so great. It's like we're all so close to what the professor is, and which we're striving to get to his level as well, because he filtered out the garbage. He filtered out the noise. So just so you know, a lot of people think, oh my God, so much money. That doesn't matter. But as far as the community, all the people are likewise thinking. They all think the same. They all want the same thing to achieve in life. They all want their time, their life back. So we're all the same type of thinkers, and they're all just like positive and just want our life back, simply.
Hey, you're late to class. What are you doing? Sit down. Let's go. The book. Get your notebook. We got work to do right now. Listen, if you want to sign up, come to the mentorship. Guys, what do you think? Learned a lot? Hold up. Listen, but you're late. Let's go. Page 33. Help them, Sam. Page 33 right here. That's the page you need to go in the book, right? Some people? So let's go. Get the notebook ready. Page 33. Click down below. Make it happen. I'll catch you in class. Boom.